Hello there! Today we're going to learn how can I extract my resume from Canva and edit. First, we will head over to the home page and select Create a Design. From there, choose Resume. Templates will pop up. Once you're in, navigate to the design options and make your selection. Pick a resume template that suits your style. You can start editing right away. Adjust the font size, change the colors, whether it's the background, text, or both. Feel free to add another page if you want to include another template. Alternatively, there's another way. Head to the File section and upload your file. Choose your existing resume from your desktop and upload it. Once it's uploaded, go to the Project section where you'll find your file ready to edit. Now, you can modify the font size, apply different effects, bold the text, adjust the font elements, tweak the template size, or even edit pictures. You can also copy a Canva template and edit it to your liking. If you find a design you love, feel free to make it your own. And just like that, you've learned how to extract a resume in Canva. Thanks for joining in on this session.